Hello, I'm Mark Brown, and today I'd like to help you say more by saying less, because these are changes that matter. So how can you have more impact, be clearer, more concise, when it's your turn to speak in a conversation, a meeting, even in a presentation? A first tip is simply to think before you begin speaking. Now, this may seem like a very obvious tip, but it's not something that we always do. So I'd like to point out 4 clear benefits of thinking before we speak. The first, it reduces the chances of saying something stupid or something that we have not thought through first. So simply pausing and checking ourselves is a good thing. Second point, it allows us to organize our thoughts. If we want to have impact, we need to be well organized, structured, coherent, and that pause allows you to organize a little bit before you start talking. Third point, and this is quite important, it allows you to decide when you will stop speaking. Many people simply start talking and then keep going until they run out of steam or they're interrupted or they have nothing left to say. That's not really what we want if we want to have maximum impact. You want to think first, what do I need to say? How am I going to say it? And when will I stop speaking? Pausing beforehand allows you to plan for that. Finally, building in a slight delay before we respond to questions, before we begin talking, actually builds in some discipline and some restraint to our personal brand. We become known as the person who thinks before he or she speaks, and that can also be quite interesting. So in sum, if you'd like to say more by saying less, make sure that you think before you speak. It helps avoid accidents, organize, and allows you to decide when you're going to stop talking. I wish you luck with this, and I look forward to our next conversation. Thank you.